Oh no! What's happening? I'd better go check it out. Oh no! A white tiger has attacked my chicken farm. To keep our chickens and livestock safe, we're going to build a brand new miniature farm with secure barns and fences. Come on, puppy, let's go!
Hi guys! Today we're going to build a beautiful and safe farm for our chickens, cows, and other farm animals. In this video, we'll build 3 cozy shelters for our dog, cow, and chickens. Add a sturdy fence and create a small pond where our ducks can swim. We'll also feed them, take good care of them, and make sure they have a happy new home. Are you ready? Let's get started!
Wow! Our new farm looks amazing. It's beautiful and safe. Come on! Haha, puppy! Let's go to your new home! Good boy, puppy! Hey, welcome home, Mama Cow. This is your safe new home. Don't worry, Mama Cow, you're safe in your new home now.
Our beautiful new farm is finally complete, and all our animals are happy and safe in their new home. Thank you so much for building it with us today. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun miniature farm projects. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Come on, Mama Cow! Eat lots of yummy food and stay healthy for your giving birth. Come on, let's head to the new farm and get ready to meet your adorable baby calf.
Hey, buddy. It's time to head back home for a lunch break. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh no! The Mama Cow gave birth on the way. Hurry, we need to call for help. Yeah! Now it's time to build a beautiful new farm barn for our cows and all their animal friends.
Hi guys! Today we're going to build an amazing little farm and create a happy farm for all our farm animals. There will be barns, fences, little houses, and lots of surprises along the way. Let's start our adventure.
Wow! The new farm looks amazing! Yeah!
What an amazing farm adventure! But this is only the beginning. Many more adorable animals, exciting rescues, and beautiful farms are waiting for us. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!